The Fab 4's Black Steel Elite rear bumper. You bought the front bumper, why wouldn't you buy the rear? It's constructed with heavy-duty 12-gauge steel, ensuring durability that can withstand whatever you throw at it. And the smooth matte black finish gives it that rugged look. The Elite Series is all about functionality. It's sensor compatible, ensuring that your truck's safety features remain intact. And Fab 4's has designed this thing to keep the OEM hitch receiver and wiring locations. Fab 4's has meticulously matched every contour of this bumper to the body lines of your Ford Super Duty, ensuring a seamless integration that looks like it rolled off the factory this way, and it's made right here in the US. So whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the city streets, this bumper is ready for anything. If you want to know more about the Fab 4's Black Steel Elite rear bumper, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.